if you do this, you sound beginner. And Brazilians often make this mistake when speaking English, but don't worry. I'm here to help you improve. Let's start with I am going in the store instead of saying I go in the store, because the verb tense changes when you talk about future or past actions. And then there's I have much friends, which is incorrect because you should say I have many friends. And the number changes when you're talking about more than one. Moving on to I want to goes, which is a common mistake when using the verb to want in the present continuous tense. So remember to say I want to go. Another one is I'm very tired, which is just a small error, but it's easy to fix by saying I'm very tired. And did you know that Brazilians also tend to say I don't know nothing instead of I don't know anything, because the phrase know nothing is an idiomatic expression. And last but not least, there's the incorrect use of to be in the present continuous tense. For example, I am studying instead of I'm studying, and I am going instead of I'm going. So let's practice these corrections and you'll be speaking English like a native in no time. And remember, the key to improvement is to pay attention to the tiny details, like the difference between a lot and a lot of, or much and many. And to master these tiny details is to master the language itself. So keep practicing and you'll be on your way to English fluency.